and gentlemen, today we are making history. For the first time at JS Poland, we have the distinct privilege and honor to distinguish 6 remarkable people who stood out in our JavaScript community. Equivalently to our counterparts, our JS heroes have been awarded in 5 different categories: Company of the Year, JavaScript Hero of Community, JavaScript Hero of Education, Trainer of the Year, and Personality of the Year. We will start with Company of the Year. The 2019 Company of the Year award goes to No Fluff Jobs! Ladies and gentlemen, the CTO of No Fluff Jobs, Marek Chu. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 JavaScript Hero of Community goes to Matthias Hulz. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 JavaScript Hero of Community goes to Adam Gospodarczyk. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 JavaScript Hero of Education Award goes to Todd Moldau. The 2019 Trainer of the Year Award goes to Michael Latke. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 Personality of the Year Award goes to Luca Mezzalina. One more time, big round of applause for all the awardees.